Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's session of topic Decodified. Today we are going to talk about disease X. There have been many signs getting noticed that the world is headed towards a storm of new as well as existing viruses raging through the population, with a string of infectious diseases hitting the UK for past 6 months. Experts have warned Britain of the possibility of new pandemic being called disease X. We are going to cover this topic in the following sequence. First of all, we'll know why it is in news. Thereafter, what is the disease? And then the reasons behind the same. Concluding our session with the questions on prelims as well as mains, right? But before that, I want you all to be informed about the mains aid program, under which you can get help for essay, polity, ethics, as well as public administration. The details of the same are given here. You can check them out. Some of the courses have already begun and some of them are scheduled shortly. Do apply quickly to avail the early bird discount. Now let's move back to our topic, why it is in news. Disease X is causing much a concern in Britain, and accordingly, health experts have urged the government to remain prepared for a new pathogen owing to the fact that the country has seen several infections in the recent past. Look at this word, pathogen. What is pathogen? Pathogen is a disease-causing microorganism, right? So there are multiple microorganisms, but only those specific microorganisms that cause diseases are known as pathogens. They can be bacteria, virus, fungi, or any other parasite. If it's disease-causing, it would be known as pathogen, right? The World Health Organization has also warned that the disease X, where X stands for unexpected, is hypothetical for now. An outbreak that scientists and public health experts fear could lead to serious disease around the world if and when it occurs. So this is the catch. The disease X is not a disease as of now for real. Nobody is suffering from this, not even a single person. Disease X is not yet discovered. It is but predicted by the public health experts, by the scientist community. They are of the view that the world soon again is going to be under a pandemic. That is, human life is in danger, right? So what is disease X? We have to understand further in detail. According to WHO, disease X represents the knowledge that a serious international epidemic could be caused by a pathogen currently unknown to cause human disease. So, as I've told you already, there are multiple microorganisms. Not each one is bad for us. Not each one makes us sick or causes a disease. But scientists are predicting discovery or arrival of a new pathogen that would be known to cause human disease, which is unknown to us today. So, a new pathogen may cause a new kind of human disease is the gist. Presently, the threat disease X affecting human looms large and is said to be as fatal as Ebola virus, spreads as fast as novel coronavirus, and could potentially start another pandemic in the days to come. The concept of disease X would encourage WHO projects to focus their research efforts on entire classes of virus instead of just individual strains, thus improving WHO capability to respond to the unforeseen strains. So this is also a thing that because currently the prediction is going on around disease X, so WHO as well as other research organizations related to health are focusing on broad-based research, yet detailed one. Possible reasons behind the emergence of new pandemic. So climate change, of course, is one of the reasons which has impacted us beyond correction. Forcible relocation of wild animals who have acted as vectors in many cases to more populated areas. Increase in population levels which may support the pathogens to flourish. High rate of mutation in viruses. These are certain factors that may be causing another pandemic for us. We know it today as disease X, right? Moving ahead to the prelims question. This is a previous year question. Viruses can infect number 1 bacteria, number 2 fungi, number 3 plants. You have to pick the correct option. Option A is 1 and 2 only, option B is 3 only, option C is 1 and 3 only, and option D is 1, 2 and 3. You have to pick the correct one from amongst these and put it in the comment section below. Now let's look at the mains question as well. What is disease X? Discuss its threats and suggest measures to deal with them. You have to answer this one in 250 words. You can send in your answers to us on the WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. This is it for today. I shall see you again tomorrow with another topic decodified for you. Till then, take care and stay tuned.